Hello dear students, welcome back to your chemistry class. So I hope that you have all gone through the previous class videos and have understood the topics clearly after reading your textbooks. So as a continuation to your previous class, today let us learn two other important topics. The first one is importance of chemistry in agriculture and also the importance of chemistry in various products that we see around us. The second one, the history of chemistry. So let's get started. First, let us see the importance of chemistry in the field of agriculture. In an agricultural field, there are two important things that a farmer uses. They are fertilizers and pesticides. They are made up of chemicals. Like our body needs nutrients, plants also need nutrients for its proper growth. Plants are provided with these nutrients from fertilizers. Now, what are fertilizers? Fertilizers are substances that improves the fertility of plants, and it also supplies plants with nutrients. Therefore, fertilizers are essential for the growth of plants. Nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium are three key nutrients that are required by plants. Let us see few examples of fertilizers which contains these three key nutrients. First is ammonium nitrate. Ammonium nitrate is a source of nitrogen and it is a widely used fertilizer. The next is urea. Urea is also an important source of nitrogen which is available in the solid form. You can see a picture of urea here. The next important fertilizer is phosphatic fertilizer. Phosphatic fertilizers like superphosphates are also very good for the growth of plants. What are these phosphatic fertilizers? Elements like phosphorus and oxygen are combined to form phosphatic fertilizers. And what are superphosphates? Phosphorus fertilizers that are synthetically prepared, and those that are rich in percentage of phosphates are called as superphosphates. You can see a picture of superphosphate here. About 90% of all these fertilizers are available in solid form. Fertilizers are also available in liquid form, and such fertilizers that are available in liquid form are called as liquid fertilizers. These are produced by mixing ammonia or ammonium nitrate with water. Now, let us see about pesticides. What are pesticides? Pesticides are chemicals that are added to soil by farmers to kill pests. It also protects the plants from weeds, fungi and insects. Pesticides includes herbicides, insecticides, termiticides, etc. Pesticides that kills or stops the growth of unwanted plants like weeds are called as herbicides. Pesticides that destroy insects are called as insecticides. And pesticides that are used to control termites are called as termiticides. But one has to be very careful while using a pesticide. Why? Because pesticides can come in contact with the living organisms that are present on earth, and it can disturb the balance of the ecosystem. You can see a picture of a person who is spraying pesticides to the plants. Look at him. He is covered with personal protective equipments to keep himself safe from all these pesticides. Now, let us look at the importance of chemistry in various other products. As you have already learned in your previous class, that knowledge of chemistry has helped in the production of various products around you. Let us see some of those products. Food. Food products like refined oil, butter, cheese, etc. are obtained through chemical reactions. The knowledge of chemistry is also important in the field of construction, where chemical compounds like mortar, cement, glass, etc. are produced. In the field of clothing, natural fabrics like silk are made through chemical reactions. And also in your own household and also in the kitchen, a lot of chemistry usages involved. Let us see that. Cooking gas, which you call as liquefied petroleum gas or otherwise called as LPG, or the food preservatives that you use in the kitchen, which keeps your food fresher for a longer time, or certain specific utensils that you use in the kitchen, also few electronic items that you use at home. All these involves chemistry. And certain daily usage products like paints, dyes, perfumes, shampoos, paper, ink, etc. All these involves chemical reactions. If you go to an industry, you can find the usage of metals and alloys. Alloys are nothing but mixture of metals, where these are used in the preparation of machines, for automobiles, etc. This also involves chemistry. Now, in the field of petroleum products like petrol, kerosene, and diesel oil are also obtained through various chemical reactions. Other area where you use chemistry is food, cosmetics, clothing, medicines, and chemicals. Now we will see about all these in detail in your coming classes.